thank you very much for the girls and the boys teams to be here. I shouldn't be saying boys; they're grown-up men, much bigger than me. To come here today and to have some much-needed funds and to see the huge support for both the teams. Interestingly, the quote that Bill said, "Win or lose." My friends back home that I grew up with have a Sunday league football team, and they have the same quote, "Win or lose," but they finish it with "Win or lose, we're on the booze," which isn't going to be what our boys and women's teams are going to be doing. This is a big week for them. On Friday or Saturday, they'll get told their fate on whether they're in the 12 or they're out of the 12. And for them, they've dedicated a huge amount of their last few months and last few years to try to get in the teams, to try to be the first team that's representing Fiji in Olympics to get a medal. Often when we come to these things, it's all about the men, about what they've done, what they've achieved. And one of my aims when we came here was to also raise the profile, raise the awareness and raise the standards of women's sport in Fiji. And everybody talks about the first medal that's going to be won by a Fijian team in Olympic Games, but the girls will have finished playing by the time the boys walk onto the field. And our big hope is that the limelight, the spotlight, is whipped away from the men's team as the women win our first medal. And for me, that goes on to our second point that Bill made actually, about our young boys and girls looking at the team, and I hope that it goes beyond rugby. When you see a young female from Fiji or young man from Fiji on a podium in the global event that is the Olympic Games, the biggest sporting event, most people watch the Olympic Games than any other spectacle in the world.